Are we in a bear market? Everybody's freaking out, everybody's panicking. I want you to relax and look at some of these indicators in the macro that say we're not anywhere close to a bear market. This is all temporary fear. Let me prove it to you. The M2 money supply, the amount of money floating around out there in the USA, it hit a low locally a few months ago, and now it's on its way back up. This is good. Money printer go burr means more pump for your bags. The dollar index is at a new local low. This is good. A weaker dollar means stronger equities, stronger risk on assets like crypto. The credit spreads are still low. What are credit spreads? It's a measure of banks' willingness to lend to companies. So banks aren't afraid to lend money to companies. That means I'm not afraid either. Also, inflation is finally coming down below the 2% threshold, meaning the Federal Reserve can finally lower interest rates again. So it's only a matter of time before they do. And remember, crypto's never existed in quantitative tightening. Only in quantitative easing for the last 12 years, from 2010 to 2022. Now look, I could give you more minor details like the CPI came in lower than expected. All of the conditions are basically fine. There's nothing to panic about. Short-term news fears like Trump tariffs are probably going to end up in negotiation deals later on. Short-term fears like Trump yelling at Zelensky, giving him a scolding, they're probably going to end up in more peace talks later on. Look, there's a new administration. Everybody wants to blame people like Trump to be the bad guy. This is just transitionary uncertainty and growing pains. Look at all the indicators. Nothing is flashing panic, so you should not be panicked either.